Did you know that social videos get more shares than text and static images all combined? It also encourages more views, tags, comments, which can all help you get noticed on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. Now, to create engaging social videos, Facebook, for example, recommends creating videos as short as 15 seconds long. That sounds easy, right? Well, LinkedIn and Instagram have different video dimensions. So, where do you start? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create social media story videos the easy way, no matter the platform. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best practices of social media videos. Then we'll look at how you can start creating videos on the different social media platforms. I've also included some tools and examples in this video to help you get started. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies with the videos that you create, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's just start by checking how many people use the story feature on these free social networks. TikTok stories, for example, gets over 150 million visitors a day, Facebook with over 300 million visitors, with the Instagram stories beating Facebook visitors with over 500 million visitors a day. Then you have Snapchat, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn ranging from 30 to 100 million visitors a day. Just imagine being able to get in front of all these people with a single click. You bet it will bring you an untold amount of free viral traffic and sales. Now, when creating videos for social media, especially for different social networks like these, there are certain things that you need to keep in mind. Here are some best practices for creating amazing social media videos for your video marketing campaigns. You want to always make sure that your social media videos are easy to understand, even without any sound on. You see, many social media users don't have their sounds on or headphones in while browsing through their social news feed. In other words, most social videos are viewed with the sound off. Now, it's because of that reason that you want to make your videos easy to understand even without any sound. And an easy way to make that happen is by using subtitles in your videos. You can use subtitles to make call to action or to get your message across. You also always want to make sure that your videos have the right dimension recommended by the platform that you are using. Now, in most cases, you cannot just post the exact same video on just any social media network. You first have to change the video format and maybe change the content a little bit to make it work across different platforms. You also want to try uploading your video stories natively so that it can help with your video's reach. And finally, you also want to try to keep your videos as short as possible. In some particular cases, longer videos can work as social stories. However, in most cases, shorter video stories work best. A 60 to 90 seconds long video will do just fine. Now, to be able to create quality social media videos on a consistent basis, you will need to have a tool to help you do that. Wave.video is an online video maker that was actually built with social media videos in mind. That's because they have over 30 different acceptable formats that you can instantly resize and use for your social media videos. You can also use your own videos if you want and edit them within the Wave Video editor, or you can add videos and photos from their collection of stock footage. There are literally millions of stock video clips available within this tool. Within the Wave Video editing tool, things are quite simple even if you have no experience editing videos. With this video editing tool, you can easily zoom in and out of your video, trim your video segments and add subtitles to each screen in your video and much more. You can also watermark your videos with your brand if you choose, add music from their library, change the video format if needed to share it to multiple platforms, and then publish it directly from the editing tool to your social network of choice. The only problem with this Wave Video editor is that they do not have templates for all social sites. You hardly find templates for social sites like TikTok, Snapchat, or WhatsApp. Another good social media story video software creator is Flux. Flux is the first of its kind 6-in-1 story software that lets you create story videos for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, WhatsApp, TikTok, and much more to get unlimited free viral traffic in just seconds, even if you're a beginner with zero skills and zero experience. Now, apart from all the useful tools that the Flux software comes with, you'll also be having a step-by-step video tutorial that will teach you how to take the traffic you get from the Flux app and turn it into cold hard cash in your bank account. So who exactly can benefit from the Flux app? Well, as you can see from the sales page, affiliate marketers, product creators, list builders, Shopify store owners, high-ticket consultants, authors, coaches, CPA marketers, eBay and Amazon sellers, just about anyone. If you know traffic is holding you back from making sales, then you need to get your hands on the Flux app right now. When you get into the app, as you can see from this demo video clip, you can create stories on any of these platforms. Creating a story is as easy as choosing a template and editing it to make it your own. The story app comes jam-packed with video clips and stock images that you can use when customizing your story. Within the app, you also have options to add text or change the color of the text. You also have the option to choose from a list of different fonts. So as you can see, you have all the basic features of a text editor included. You can always add shapes in your stories, change the shape color, add emojis, stickers, and even GIFs if you choose. You will also be having a set of free copyright sounds that you can add in your story backgrounds to make it unique. After customizing your video stories, you also have the option to share it directly from within the Flux dashboard to your chosen social network. Now, you're going to find all the links to the tools mentioned in this video in the description box below. You see, with such tools, getting started with social media videos is not as difficult as it might seem at first glance. You can even get away with never filming anything yourself and still end up with high quality marketing videos. The question now is, do you love social video stories? What story formats are you using? What are your favorite social media stories to watch or create? Let me know your answers to all these questions in the comments area below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.